Hey, Caleb. Caleb. Can I have some kisses? Can I have some kisses over here? Not over there? Can I have some kisses? Can you come give me a kiss? Please? Can you come give me a kiss? Come here and give me a kiss. Can you come here? Can you come over here and give mommy kisses? No, I don't want kisses over there. Can you say bye-bye? No? How about you say see you later? Can you say see you later? No? How about bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.